So good morning everyone. We are the group 1, we are the class group, and together we will form a role play about coordinating emergency response to a car accident. The setting is a busy intersection where a pedestrian has been hit by a car. So the driver is Maria, the pedestrian is Jay, the witness is Ma'am Grace, the witness 2 is Hannah, the emergency dispatcher is Oscar, the paramedic 1 is Juliet, paramedic 2 is Ivy, police officer is King, and yours truly, traffic control officer.
Okay, before you start for your day, be sure nga ang nag-drive ha, sigurado ha. Madiritso ba nga, mapinood ka na eh.
Laser gay, instruction dancer.
Okay, go. Ano lang ha? And,
Asa ko?
sama na. Kung
Drill lang ka.
Kung sa pelikula pa na ha.
Ano, banggaan na yun eh?
Oh,
Sama na, sisi na.
So,
dalang sir. Ako lang magkwenta.
Okay. Dong, number.
Pre.
action star.
Pre. Pagkati pugla ko pag nanap sa diri. Okay, so the scene opens with the sound of a car screeching to a halt. The pedestrian lies on the ground and witnesses rush to the scene.
Mandar.
Instruction na tuloy mo, matay natin sa babae pag yung ipa-drive ba? Ay no, hindi naman siguro ko.
We had a car accident. The car hit a pedestrian at the intersection. The pedestrian is on the ground, not moving. No, he's unconscious.
Neutral, handbrake.